Welcome to the Plantation of Leesburg community. This is a 55 up community with gorgeous landscaping, golf courses, and so many amenities. And this house right here has 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a den that pretty much you could turn into a bedroom. Let's go check it out, and I'll meet you at the golf course. So if you're looking for that 2-bedroom plus a den, 2-bath house right on this golf course, this is for you. Give us a call at the Erica Diaz team and schedule your showing. Can't wait to talk to you. Bye.